Welcome! In this video, we're going to explore a core concept in statistics and probability called the sample space. It's all about understanding the complete list of what could happen in any situation. So, what exactly is a sample space? In probability, the sample space is simply the complete list of all possible outcomes of an experiment. You can think of it as the universe of every single thing that could possibly happen. Let's start with a very simple experiment, flipping a coin. If you flip a standard coin, there are only two possible outcomes. It can either land on heads or it can land on tails. So, the sample space, which we often write as a capital S, is the set containing heads and tails. Now let's consider rolling a standard six-sided die. When you roll it, the top face can show any integer from 1 to 6. This means there are 6 possible outcomes. The sample space is the set containing the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You might be wondering why we need to know this. The sample space is the absolute foundation for calculating any probability. To find the chance of a specific event occurring, you first have to know all the things that could have occurred. The sample space gives us that complete picture. What happens when an experiment gets a little more complex, like flipping two coins? Now, each outcome has to include the results of both coins. This gives us 4 possibilities. You could get heads on both, heads on the first and tails on the second, tails on the first and heads on the second, or tails on both. The sample space would contain all 4 of these pairs. When things get even more complicated, listing outcomes can be tricky. A tree diagram is a great tool to visually map out every single possibility and make sure you don't miss any. By following the branches, you can systematically find every outcome in the sample space. It's important to understand the difference between an event and the sample space. The sample space is all possible outcomes. An event, on the other hand, is a specific outcome or a smaller group of outcomes from that sample space. For example, rolling an even number on a die is an event. That event is the set of 2, 4, and 6, which is a subset of the total sample space. Let's quickly review. The sample space is the complete set of all possible outcomes. It is the very first thing you need to figure out when you're solving a probability problem. For simple experiments like a coin toss or a die roll, it's easy to list. For more complex scenarios, using a tool like a tree diagram can be extremely helpful. And that's it. You now understand the sample space, which is the fundamental building block of probability. Keep practicing with different examples, and you'll be a probability expert in no time. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.